Welcome back. Live visuals now for match number 30 of the Maharashtra Premier League. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers taking on the Raigad Royals. पाऊस थांबलेला आहे आणि खेळाची सुरुवात होणार आहे. It's going to be a 9 overs match. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers captain Rahul Tripathi won the toss. Decided to field first. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, Aniket Porwal, Des Tripathi, Sachin Das, Siddharth Matre, Shrikant Munde, Yogesh Dongre. Talk of the Raigad Royals, Siddesh Veer, Vaibhav Agam comes in, Mehul Patel, Naushad Sheikh, the captain.
Veer has been outstanding in this Maharashtra Premier League this year.
He scored 234 runs this season. And to start proceedings, it's going to be Nihal Tusamad. He's picked up 9 wickets so far this season. Takes the outside edge and gone! Mehul Patel was sent up there exactly to up the ante, looking for the cross-batted shot on the first ball that he faces. Takes the edge and Nihal Tusamad picks up his first wicket.
मेहुल पटेल कोई रन नहीं बनाए, पहले में वापस 3 पर 1.
Naushad Sheikh, 141 runs for him this season, a strike rate of 139.6. And we have the last match, this one of the league stage, and we are still in search of the other two teams in the top 4.
Shot, अच्छा timing के साथ square cut.
And there we go on the leg side again, 4 runs.
ये हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका मिलेगा थर्ड मैन पर. टॉप एज,
Clean bowled. Siddesh Veer coming down the track.
और आगे आके पूरा घूम गए, कोई बैलेंस नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. सिद्धेश वीर ने 1 रन बनाए, 22 पर 2.
In at number 4 is Vishant More. Has he connected that well? Yes, he has. He's bowled. That's a big wicket. Shreyas Sawan into the attack, and on his third ball, he picks up a wicket, and that too of the danger man tonight, Naushad Sheikh.
Skipper Naushad Sheikh departs. Got 23 of just 9 delivery, is 31 for 3.
108 runs this season for Rishabh Rathod. The first ball over the side screen. In the gap will be a boundary. Off the inside edge will be lucky runs, and 4 of them. And also we have seen in the 20 overs game, it's a 9 overs. Oh, what is he doing? It'll be close here. Complete confusion. Vishant straight away set off for the second run. Let's see what the TV umpire gets to see. Vishant just went off for the second run. And yes, he will be shot. He will be shot. That's a big and an important wicket for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, because they have broken a partnership. Vishant More has to walk back, out for 19, 55 for 4. Making his debut in the Maharashtra Premier League is Vaibhav Agam.
Oh, huge appeal has been given out. Trapped right in front. And uses a lot of these slower deliveries. This was in a leg spin action. Couldn't pick it. Caught right in front. No problem for the umpire. Sends back Agam for 1. 58 for 5 now.
Vicky Ostwal has been very impressive with the ball. The bat has as well. He's played a few handy knocks.
खेल दिया इस बार सीधे फील्डर के पास. Sachin Das, well judged catch there at deep mid wicket. Rishabh Rathod has to go back to the pavilion. Second strike in this over. Rathod gone for 10, now 60 for 6.
Vaibhav Agam has been substituted. Ajay Borude is in as the impact player.
Short delivery, pulls that one, and over the square leg for a 6.
Chips that one. Will get a 6 or 4. What do you think, Pati? Ball hits the advertising cone. Tough call for the TV umpire. What's it going to be? Yes, it's a 6. Again this time, behind square. Will get a boundary. Full toss, and this time, once again, will get a boundary.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Got a boundary. We'll get a free hit as well. Oh, that's turning out to be a super over.
Again this time, there's a fielder. No one. Once again hitting the advertising cone. Another test for the TV umpire.
Should be a boundary. But welcome boundary. Oh! Again a full toss. This time, shot! It's high up in the air. Oh, has he touched the skirting? Looks very confident, so probably he's not.
Straight down the ground. Just a bit of change in pace. He got height. But Dhillon was right there. Ostwal walks back for 9. It's 96 for 7. New man in, Manoj Ingle. He at the non-striker end. This time, oh, he gets a boundary there. Oh, it's up. There's a fielder coming in from deep mid wicket. Yes, very well taken once again.
You can take that kind of catches only when you're in the game, when you're concentrating all the time and ready for them. Well done, boy.
Yes, fantastic effort all round. Raigad Royals will be happy that they came back strongly. On the other hand, PBG Kolhapur Tuskers have a chase on the hand. They need to chase down 110.
308 runs already for him this season. In comes Rahul Tripathi. Nikhil Kadam. He's picked up 8 wickets at an economy of 8.4. Makes room for himself and connects sweetly. Again making room for himself. Is it fine enough? Yes, it is. In the slot, straight over, mid-off, over, long off as well. Expensive first over. 17 of it. Nicely placed now. Comes down the track, up in the air. The fielder at mid-on is interested. It's gone miles, and finally it's taken. Mehul Patel with the brilliant catch. Ankit Bhavne dismissed. Manoj Ingle. Nice comeback.
अंकित बाव ने प्रोफाइल रन गेटर 8 रन करके पैवेलियन में.
Porwal, the keeper batter, 168 runs for him. Again up in the air, again Mehul Patel calling for it. Is it going to be 2 out of 2? Oh no, he's dropped it. And they have taken 2 runs. Disappointment for Manoj Ingle. 2 runs to end the second over, 25 for 1.
ओहो ये हटके मिड विकेट की दिशा में छक्का.
Oh, that's huge! Huge and long again. Again doing some similar stuff. This time gets the inside edge. Oh, this was a chance for Tanay Sangvi to get the wicket of Rahul Tripathi. Exciting over, entertaining over, 17 of it. Vicky Ostwal comes into bowl and in the gap. Here he has to walk back. Aniket Porwal has been bowled by Vicky Ostwal. Is this a small opening that the Raigad Royals were looking for?
Aniket Porwal goes for 2, 47 for 2.
Yogesh Dongre is the new man in. Dongre connects and connects well. Down the leg side, it is big. It is high and handsome. Outside edge. just puts back to ball, will get a boundary, and a half century for Rahul Tripathi of just 19 balls. Has hit it hard, will get another boundary.
Got his delivery, played that one over covers. 6! What a start to the over! Yes, up in the air, straight as an arrow. 6! The Raigad Royals are knocked out of the playoffs race. 91 for 2 after 7 overs.
Oh, what a hit! This is not an easy shot.
They need 10 runs of 9 deliveries. A chase. Again, what a shot! Over covers, but doesn't feel it there. Sweeper. And he's fallen there. Rushabh Rathod. Tanay Sangvi, beg your pardon, has taken the catch there.
Chandresh has done his job. 25 of 12 deliveries. 100 for 3 now, KT.
Sachin Das is the new man in. Tanay Sangvi comes in. Oh, clean ball! Do we have a twist in the tail here, Paji?
That's exactly what I thought. Lower delivery. Mighty heave. Completely beaten. But he has done a wonderful job. 64 of 26. 103 for 4.
So Siddharth Matre is the new man in.
Oh, wide delivery. Wide. 2 runs. They've taken a single as well. Pressure delivery from Sangvi. Wouldn't help the cause for his captain. Second last ball of the final over. Up in the air. Fielder there. Gone. This is how he's got out. He wanted to play it over extra cover. Took the outside edge. No mistake there by the fielder. 107 for 5 with 1 ball to go.
PBG Kolhapur Tuskers need 3 runs of the final delivery. In walks the experienced campaigner Shrikant Bunde. Final delivery here. Misses that one. And Raigad Royals have won this contest. Yes, there's a run out as well at the non-strikers end. What a final over. Fantastic final over by Tanay Sangvi. What a turnaround by Raigad Royals in this contest. Hats off Tanay Sangvi to win this contest for his captain. Rahul Tripathi will be kicking himself.
Yes, and ENT have got lucky. They will be playing the first qualifier tomorrow against Ratnagiri Jets.